Thanks to Ben Collins for his tutorial ideas for this scan function. Each blank row needs to have the data filled in to match the non-empty row above. The formula we'll use scans a range of data and applies the inner formula to each item in the range. Let's add a column to the left of the names to insert the new data. Right-click in the column header next to the column where you want to add a new column. Click Insert one column left. Click into the first cell of the new column. Type the new column header name. Click into the first cell under the new header. Copy this formula. Equals, scan, left parenthesis, A2, comma, A2, colon, A12, comma, lambda, left parenthesis, T, comma, V, comma, if, left parenthesis, is, blank, left parenthesis, V, right parenthesis, comma, T, comma, V, 3 right parentheses. Paste the formula into the selected cell with Ctrl+V or Command+V, and press Enter. Now all of the blank spaces were filled with the last data that came from above the blank space. Adjust the formula's range, here it's A2 to A12, to match the number of rows of your own data. As Ben said, of course, you could copy and paste the emails, but that is not efficient beyond a handful of rows of data. And now you can just use this formula. That's it, you're done.